All right, guys, check this out. You're looking at a custom fitted grill set that we just had done for a customer. This is a top and a bottom set. You got 8 top teeth, 8 bottom teeth. Now this is made with solid 925 sterling silver. Now what does that mean? That means 92.5% pure silver, which is actually a precious metal, guys. And this is handmade with sterling silver, 925. Now this is available on our website, blingcartel.com. You can get a top, you get a bottom, you get a beautiful set just like this. 8 top, 8 bottom. Or you could do a 6-on-6. It's up to you. This one gives you a mouthful of bling at a low, affordable price. Handmade, high quality work. Check it out, guys. Well, there it is. Thanks for watching. As always, y'all have a good one.